We got a brand new Pathfinder in from our good buddies over at Silver Kings, Captain Jared. It's one of their boats they get for the show. So we gotta put batteries in it. We gotta top off the engine with oil and then just go through the system. Unclick the power poles, run the power poles bucking down and forth. Then we gotta install prop. So just gotta make sure the boat runs, prime the fuel system and all that. So that's what we got going on. Alright guys, this boat's pre-wired for the batteries. It's actually pre-wired for the trolling motor too. The client at this time is not going to get a trolling motor, so we're just going to put 2 batteries in here. So he has 2 of them. He could run, if he runs one down, the other one's isolated, so he's always can get home. So here we go. One working. Only has 1 bait pump. Probably only have 1 recirculator. Yep, that one's working. There's water working. The up bubbler. Macerator working. Filter's working. But one thing that most people do not check is let's make sure that our float is working. It's way in the back here. And that works. Let's clear that out. Always make sure that works. And then also what we do is, now it works that way, just make sure it works with the battery switch off. That's the way it's supposed to work. Let's go back down here. And it works. Perfect. Another thing on these Pathfinders, I've worked on quite a bit of them, the brand new ones. I'll show you guys something. First we need to prime this fuel system. But also I've learned on these new Pathfinders, if you have a new Pathfinder, make sure these studs are tight. They are. I've had brand new boats come in and these are loose. So make sure all those are tight. Okay? So I got a brand new Yamaha 300 here. We got to put oil in it. I always check, make sure there is a tag that says there's no oil in the motor. So we got to put oil, but I check just to make sure. Maybe someone at the factory put oil and then pull the sticker out. But all the specs are up here. This thing holds 6.7 quarts. So let's go get our oil.